For billions of years, Earth was alive, but lifeless. A planet full of energy, fire, oceans, and storms. Yet not a single living cell could survive. So the question is disturbing and fascinating at the same time. If Earth had everything it needed, why did life wait so long to begin? 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was born violent. Its surface was a sea of molten rock, constantly reshaped by massive impacts from space. Asteroids the size of cities crashed into the planet again and again, releasing so much energy that any fragile structure was instantly destroyed. Nothing stable could last. Not land, not oceans, and certainly not life. Even when Earth finally began to cool, it was still not ready. The early oceans were not peaceful blue waters like today. They boiled, evaporated, and returned as acid rain. The atmosphere was toxic, filled with carbon dioxide, methane, and poisonous gases. There was no oxygen to breathe, no protective ozone layer, and no shield from deadly radiation coming from the sun and deep space. But the biggest problem was not heat or poison. It was chaos. Life does not begin in chaos. Life needs time, uninterrupted time. For hundreds of millions of years, Earth was repeatedly reset. Just as conditions started to improve, another massive impact would strike, melting the surface all over again. Any early chemical progress toward life was erased, over and over, like riding on sand before a wave hits the shore. Slowly, something changed. The bombardment from space weakened. Earth's crust thickened and stopped breaking apart so easily. Oceans stabilized. Temperatures settled into a narrow range where complex chemistry could finally continue without being destroyed. Deep beneath the oceans, in dark hydrothermal vents, energy flowed steadily. Minerals interacted. Chemical reactions repeated themselves, not once, but millions of times. Patterns began to form. Life did not appear suddenly. It experimented. Simple molecules learned to copy themselves. Some failed instantly. Others lasted a little longer. And for the first time in Earth's history, something survived long enough to evolve. Still, even then, life remained fragile and invisible. For most of Earth's existence, the planet was ruled not by animals or plants, but by microscopic organisms. Single-celled life dominated the oceans for billions of years, slowly changing the atmosphere itself. Only after life reshaped the planet, filling the air with oxygen and stabilizing the climate, could complex organisms finally emerge. So life did not wait because Earth was empty. Life waited because Earth was not ready. It took billions of years for chaos to calm, for chemistry to become stable, and for the planet to stop destroying its own potential. Life is not easy. It is delicate, patient, and rare. And that raises an even bigger question. If life on Earth needed so much time, so many perfect conditions, and so many narrow escapes, how rare might life be in the rest of the universe? Or maybe, life is waiting there too, just as it once waited here.